It's enrichment time for Trixie the Crow. Trixie! So we've got a little dog toy that has some peanuts shoved into some recycled napkins, and there's a sock in there too that has a peanut inside it. Most people realize that crows are really intelligent birds, and for this reason we have to provide her with tons of enriching activity that requires a lot of problem solving and using that brain of hers. She says, I found the peanut and I'm gonna get my other little present and I'm gonna go hide it somewhere.